Hey, hey, hey. Ooh. So yeah. Hey y'all. Sorry there's a lot of noise going on in the background. And you know how my videos are. It's just a whatever moment type thing. How y'all doing? I hope you're having a wonderful day. Y'all, I just got my package in, so I'm going to tell you this. So what I got, I bought my daughter 7th grade workbook. She's going to 7th grade in middle school. And so I want her to prepare herself, you know what I'm saying? I want her to go to school and I want her to be prepared. You know what I'm saying? I just want her to have her stuff together. I'm sorry, stuff all together. My stuff is just messed up. It's just, I ordered this. From Bridge, I'm going to let y'all know now. I think it's neat, you guys. It has flashcards in the back. Okay, because we want our children to be prepared. Huh? We want our children to be prepared. So it's from Summer Bridge activities. You get 15 minutes a day. So in the back, you guys, they have flashcards you guys can cut out. And it has different things, math problems, where they have to be able to answer it with a flashcard. I think it's neat because in the back it has the answer key for parents. I'm excited, you guys. So they have day one. So you get it includes reading, writing, math, science, social studies, and fitness. So it has different color. Like this is green. So I'm assuming green. Hold on. Honey, don't get me the line. I don't know what. Okay, so yeah, green is for reading comprehension. I don't know if you can see it. What's up here? Reading comprehension. And it has, then you have multiplication, geometry and science. Then you have algebra and vocabulary and writing in orange. Blue, they have, this was only $10, I believe. Yeah, I just got my box today from Amazon. I just opened it up. I was supposed to open it up and let y'all see it in, but oh wow. Also, I want to try this jajangmyeon. This is spicy chicken flavor. So I'm gonna try this later on with my cheese. I just got 2. So I don't know. I'm not gonna spend a lot of money on stuff and I'm gonna burn my lips. So you guys, I've been seeing a lot of people eat seaweed paper as a snack. So I bought the one that has, I believe, 12 in the pack. So I'm about to open it right now so y'all can see it. Oh, okay. You see it? Alright, so this is about Gimme Organics. See? Gimme Organics. This is the seaweed snacks. This is the sea salt flavor one, and I also got teriyaki. So we're gonna try one of each. Give me your mind. Give me your mind. I'll take the seaweed, the teriyaki one out first. The calories is 25 grams of calories is 25 calories, 2 grams of fat, 30 milligrams of sodium, 60 milligrams of potassium. That's what, yeah. I just finished eating breakfast. I hope, because sometimes people just like to make things seem so good, y'all, and it just be nasty. I don't know what. I have my peach soda right here, so let's see. Many amount well. I'm just gonna try the sea salt one. You can't go wrong with sea salt. You can't go wrong with sea salt. Alright. So I took it out. This is how it looked. It don't smell like nothing, really. Alright, so this is the first one. Cheers. Okay. Mmm. Alright. I should have ate that one. My of course they put that on my sushi. Oh, you guys, this is the teriyaki one. I like. Mm. I like the teriyaki one better. Mm. I eat all that. Alright. My review. The sea salt one. Okay. I think I like the teriyaki one better because it gives me, of course it's gonna give me sweetness, but I would definitely teriyaki. This would be great to snack on. I eat these with my what one? Chase. I don't know what happened. My phone does its own thing. But overall, I like the teriyaki one. I'm probably gonna eat the rest of them. I done ate nearly the whole pack. I'm not too fond of the sea salt. I don't think I'll eat sea salt anymore. So anyway, that's what I got from Amazon. Today, you guys, I'm just gonna chill and just relax today. Of course, you guys know my car's down and I'm just sad about it. And I got about a whole nother compression. Did I just say that? Sorry. Stuck in between my teeth. But anyway, y'all have a wonderful, blessed day, you guys. I'm going to chillax today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to, for those who need something for their kids and books of that nature, Summer Bridge, Amazon. Alright. And love you guys and see you guys later. Bye.